Alright, welcome to Houses in Hanoi. I'm your host, Daryl. Not the host of this place, but this is where I'll be staying for the next few days. Come this way. So, gotta put our slippers on, usual Asian household. Got a nice little kitchenette over here. Washer dryer unit all in one. Very common in Asia, super convenient. Walk in with me. Let me close that because someone didn't flush. I swear it wasn't me. It was Anthony. We got a nice little shower over here. Bathroom, toilet. Very straightforward. Unlike some countries, we actually have a separate toilet and shower. So sometimes you have a wet shower. In this case, we Gucci. Stepping into the main living area over here, we have this massive couch. You know, they knew that we were Americans. It's very comfy. Been taking a few naps. This is the reality of how a house can be looking like if you're constantly working. You got hella people coming in and out. Let's step into one of the coolest rooms, temperature-wise. And you have our first bedroom. This is on the main floor. Say hi, Anthony. His favorite words, nothing. All right. And we have a great view out into the balcony and out onto the street. Man, if you guys could feel the heat right now. Pretty gorgeous out here. We have people around the clock, 24/7. And so lively. Doesn't matter what hour of the day it is. You come out here to chill, have a nice cool drink. Fruit juices here are pretty out of this world. Alright, let me close that. You know, you gotta close these doors, otherwise the AC will never work. Alright. Step on back out into the living room. We'll head up to the second floor. Alright. Hey guys, we're coming up with the camera. We got the crew here. They want to check out the crib. Which room you guys in? Alright, cool. Well, Layla's getting ready. We got another bedroom over here. Very cozy. Nice little area. Gotta love the wood on the walls as well as the ceiling.
The mirror's the best.
Oh, yeah, the mirror is the best part.
Why would you guys do this right now?
We traveled halfway across the world to look at ourselves, guys.
Yeah, we did.
Alright. You know, this greenery, you get it inside and out here. They love to be immersed in nature. And so do I. Alright, bringing us to the last spot here, we got the master bathroom. Very similar to the one downstairs, except this one doesn't have hot water. But it doesn't really matter in these temperatures because cold showers feel amazing. And this is the master bedroom. This is where the magic happens. And it leads us out into the master balcony. Equipped with your own private tub where you could rub-a-dub-dub. It's pretty nice. You got some good greenery covering a lot of what people might see as nudity. So get a little privacy up here. But yeah, that pretty much just about wraps us up for the house tour. Welcome to Hanoi. Please enjoy your stay.